Hi, how are you? My name is Steph and welcome to my channel. This first video will be a really brief introduction to who I am and what I do, whilst in the visual side of things you'll be able to see me drawing a quick self-portrait. It was something I wanted to do, just so it would sort of tie into the introductory video. Now, who I am and what I do. Like I said, my name is Steph and I draw a lot. I really love drawing. I've been drawing since I was about 5 and I haven't stopped. It was this passion for drawing that sort of spurred me on to get in my first degree in graphic design and animation. Woo! Graduated in July, what? And now I will be going in, hopefully this September, if I get accepted, I will be going in for a master's degree in digital media, so that's exciting. I am currently in full-time occupation because obviously I have no idea how this is going to go, and I just really wanted to start YouTube as a trial, wanted to see how it went. It's sort of like a project to discipline myself to produce something like every week. I have a current project now that it's called Challenge 2018, in which I have to draw every single day, and I've managed it up to now, and today is August the 4th, I think. And it's pretty good, but I did want to do something where I could actually see my progress. I could actually see how I'm improving and how I'm doing. Plus I've always wanted to do YouTube, wanted to do videos. I wanted to create visual content that wasn't just illustrations. I just wanted a place where I could just chat and talk using my voice, because I can't stand typing. I hate typing. That's why I'm so bad with like keeping journals and keeping notes and writing posts for my drawings, and I'm just like, yeah, one word caption, hashtags, goodbye. Which I really do have to work on, by the way. But yeah, the aim of this channel is to keep things really brief and informal. It's just a place where I can sort of chat, ramble on about random art things, life things, stuff like that, whilst drawing, whilst showing videos of me drawing at least. And yeah, it's just a place where I think I could really connect with the people who actually follow my work, which is all 12 of them. But no, I would really like this YouTube to pick up, and I would love to connect with the people that actually follow my work and comment on my work, and just a way for me to actually speak to them and interact with them more, so it's not just a picture on a screen and a double tap. So hopefully, all being well, this picks up. So yeah, this is my first introductory video. I really hope you like it. Please enjoy the rest of the speed paint, and I will speak to you very soon. Every video will be posted on Friday, but I am setting up a little bit of a schedule to perhaps get a few more in during the week. But like I say, I am in full-time work, so it might be a bit of a struggle, but fingers crossed I'll manage to set something up so I can get more frequent posting times. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the video.